Hello mga kabakshis! Today is another unboxing day at ngayon ang bubuksan natin ay ang Ipsy Glam Bag. So stay tuned para malaman natin kung ano ang nilalaman ng box na ito. Hello mga kabakshis! Welcome back sa ating channel dito sa Jarina2.0 at ngayon ang bubuksan natin ay ang Ipsy Glam Bag. Basically, it's a glam bag kaya unwrapping ang gagawin natin ngayon. So this is the Ipsy October 2019 bag. Buksan natin. Hindi tayo nawawalan. So una, ang murad acne control clarifying cleanser with 1.5 salicylic acid acne treatment. Murad Clarifying Cleanser. This powerful gel cleanser is infused with 1.5 encapsulated salicylic acid to combat acne and breakouts immediately and over time. Green tea extract helps calm irritation for clearer, healthier looking skin. The best part, it's gentle enough for all skin types, even the sensitives. So one tip, massage a small amount of this cleanser over damped face and neck, rinse with warm water and pat dry. So, ito yung niya. So next is the Betty Boop Betty Boop Ipsy So Betty Eyeshadow. Inflict your lid. It's parang plum siya. So, Betty Boop Ipsy That's So Betty Eyeshadow Inflict Your Lid, introducing our limited edition collection in partnership with iconic beauty muse Betty Boop. High quality, super blendable, and long-wearing flip your lid, everything we want in a shadow. And a deep metallic plum shade is great for updating your fall smoky eye looks. Tip: for a plum smoky eye, use a brush to apply flip your lid over your lids. Then use an angled eyeliner brush to smudge it along your lower lash line. Next is Your Skin But Better from It Cosmetics CC Cream with SPF 50 in light shade. It's color correcting full coverage cream plus anti-aging hydrating serum. This is 4 ml. It Cosmetics combines problem-solving products with cutting-edge technology. This healthy buildable CC cream protects with SPF 50, evens out your complexion, and helps calm redness with collagen, hyaluronic acid, and vitamins. Tip: this cream is very pigmented, so a little goes a long way. Place pea-sized dot on your skin and let it out with damp beauty sponge and more if you need. It's easily buildable. So, ayan siya. Next is Kavos NYC. Medyo nangarag na yung box. Ni Kavos NYC Lip Treatment in Raspberry. This lip balm and gloss contains luxurious and intensely reparative formula that works on contrast to soften roughness, relieve discomfort, and help rejuvenate seriously dry lips. A potent concentration of sunflower seed, vitamin E, and shea butter removes the delicate lip area while strengthening lips' moisture barrier to help prevent further damage. Ang bango niya. Ayan. It's raspberry. Ang bango. So this Luxe Lippy has all the nourishing benefits of a lip balm and the shiny finish and subtle sheen of a gloss. The intensely reparative formula works ASAP to soften rough, dry, chapped lips. Thanks to a blend of sunflower seed oil, vitamin E, and shea butter. Swipe this lip treatment onto bare lips throughout the day. Wear it under or over lipstick or alone. And lastly, the Nomad Cosmetics Signy Butter Kiss of Sun Highlighter in Balmoral Beach. This is a highlighter. Ayan, from Nomad. Balmoral Beach. This highlighting powder is super smooth, ultra blendable, and buildable, so you can go from low-key lip from within to an out-of-this-world glow. This is infused with pure source macadamia oil, a nutrient-packed Australian nut to help soften and moisturize your skin. So tip: sweep this highlighter into your brow bones, cheekbones, down to the bridge of your nose and cupid bow with a fan brush for a subtle glow, or dense highlighter brush for more impact. So yun, in this bag, we have five beauty products. Ito nga yung Nomad highlighter, yung Betty Book eyeshadow, Then, yung lip gloss from K-Boss. Then, yung CC cream from It Cosmetics. And then, the Murad Acne Control Clarifying Cleanser. So, sa limang to, ito magagamit ko tong Murad. And then, ito ang bango. 4 ml na lip gloss, lip balm. Ito palang Murad is 45 ml. Ito si Betty Boop na eyeshadow siguro at times pag may occasion, may party, ganyan, lalo na kung since mahilig ako sa purple, so magbe-blend itong plum color eyeshadow na to. And then ito din CC cream, magagamit ko rin to. And itong highlighter, hindi ako masyadong, kasi nga as I said before na ayoko nga nung mga shining, hindi ako masyadong maano sa mga glittery. So out of 5, yung 4 yung magagamit ko, plus itong cute na pouch. So yon, bali approved naman siya, isa lang yung hindi ko magagamit. So basically ipapag-giveaway ko na naman to, or ayan, inibigay sa mga kilala since malapit na ang Christmas. So yun mga kabaksyon, salamat sa muling pagsama sa akin sa pag-unwrap nitong Ipsy Glam Bag for October 2019. Muli po inaanyayahan ko kayong i-like ang video na to at mag-subscribe sa aking channel, at syempre po kung maaari i-share nyo na din sa iba para sa susunod na pag-unbox natin mas marami tayong magsasama-sama. Muli po inaanyayahan ko din kayo na i-follow ako sa aking mga social media accounts sa Facebook at Instagram, Jarina2.0. Yun lamang po at maraming salamat hanggang sa susunod na mga videos ko po. Thank you!